And this Veterans Day, we're looking at some career options for those who have served our country.
Yeah, so the fitness industry really seems like a good fit.
Fox 35's Marley Capper tells us how veterans can learn how to become personal trainers.
Most people might not realize that one of the largest personal training colleges in the country is right here in Orlando.
There you go. All right.
It's the National Personal Training Institute, veteran-owned and operated.
So it was just my calling.
Pat Sherman served in the Navy right after high school.
A young kid, had no direction at the time from the Bronx to New York City. It gave me direction, something to look forward to.
During his active duty, he was deployed to Libya.
I served on USS Forrestal, the Coral Sea, lasting April 16th, 86, Libya strike.
After deployment, he was honorably discharged and served in the reserves for 8 years. Then worked for a defense contractor.
Myself and 17 gentlemen traveled basically everywhere around the world on fighter jets, F-18 Hornets.
But Pat says health and wellness has always been a passion.
It's like a life insurance policy.
And at the time, there was no schools or colleges for people to become a certified personal trainer. So he made one. It started out slow, but soon it became a military-trusted college, tailored to sailors, pilots, soldiers, Marines, and airmen.
I understand what it's like for somebody to go downrange, come back home, have PTSD. We have special training, test taking for PTSD, special methods and stuff to help these vets in the industry.
Anyone can go to his college, but veterans can use their benefits to pay for the schooling because his business is more than just a job. It's his way to give back to fellow veterans that need help transitioning from active duty to civilian life.
I believe helping our veterans as much as possible, whether it's, hey, thank you for your service, or, buying them lunch, whatever it may be, help a veteran.
And he hopes that people will do that every day, not just on Veterans Day.
Marley Capper, Fox 35 News.